The F-16 Fighting Falcon began its journey in the midst of the Cold War, when tensions between the Western and Eastern blocs were at their peak. NATO needed a fighter that was not only fast and agile but also economical and versatile. The F-16 was developed in response to this need, providing a solution that combined speed, agility, and the ability to carry a variety of weapons. In the world of military aviation, the development of this aircraft was considered revolutionary because of its pilot-focused approach and combat effectiveness. The F-16 has an aerodynamic design that allows it to be highly maneuverable in the air. Key features include a streamlined fuselage and delta wings designed to provide high performance at a wide range of speeds. The deliberate instability design, in which the aircraft's center of gravity is behind the wings, makes the F-16 more maneuverable than other fighters of its time. This design allows the aircraft to respond quickly to control inputs, making it highly effective in air-to-air combat situations. In addition, the use of a digital fly-by-wire flight control system is a major leap in aviation technology. This system uses computers to interpret pilot commands, making automatic adjustments to maintain the stability of the aircraft. Without this system, the F-16's aerodynamic instability design would make it difficult to control. However, with fly-by-wire, pilots can perform extreme maneuvers with high precision and reliability. The F-16 was designed with pilot comfort and effectiveness in mind. The high cockpit and bubble canopy provide excellent visibility, allowing the pilot to have a nearly perfect view in all directions. This is especially important in dogfights, where extra seconds saved in detecting an enemy can be the difference between life and death. The 30-degree tilt of the seat not only provides comfort, but also helps the pilot overcome the force of gravity G-force when performing sharp maneuvers. In combat flights, pilots often experience gravitational forces of up to 9G, which can cause loss of consciousness if not handled properly. This seat design helps maintain blood flow to the brain, reducing the risk of blackout during extreme maneuvers. One of the F-16's main advantages is its advanced avionics system. The APG-68V radar is the pilot's eyes and ears, allowing for high-accuracy target detection and tracking. In addition, integrated inertial and GPS navigation systems ensure the aircraft stays on course, even in adverse weather conditions or when radar signals are disrupted. The F-16 is also equipped with a robust electronic warfare system. This system includes a radar warning device RWR that gives the pilot early warning when his aircraft is locked on by enemy radar. In addition, an automated countermeasures system can activate flares and chaff to fool heat-seeking missiles and radars, providing an additional layer of protection for the aircraft. Powered by either the Pratt & Whitney F100 or General Electric F110 turbofan engines, the F-16 has an impressive thrust-to-weight ratio. The engines are capable of delivering over 27,000 pounds of thrust, allowing the F-16 to reach a top speed of over Mach 2. Additionally, the engines are designed for fuel efficiency, allowing the F-16 to perform long-range missions without the need for frequent aerial refueling. The F-16 also has an excellent climbing ability. With its high thrust-to-weight ratio, it can make a rapid vertical climb, giving it a height advantage over the enemy. This advantage is critical in air combat, where height often means tactical advantage. The F-16 was designed as a versatile fighter capable of performing both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions with equal effectiveness. The M61 Vulcan 20mm autocannon mounted on the aircraft gives the F-16 a deadly short-range strike capability. In addition, the 11 hardpoints allow the F-16 to carry a variety of munitions. Air-to-air missiles such as the AIM-9 Sidewinder and AIM-120 AMRAAM give the F-16 the ability to engage airborne threats with precision. For ground attack missions, the F-16 can carry precision-guided bombs such as the JDAM and Paveway, as well as air-to-ground missiles such as the AGM-65 Maverick. These capabilities allow the F-16 to strike ground targets with high accuracy, reducing the risk of collateral damage. Since its introduction, the F-16 has undergone several upgrades and variant developments. One of the latest variants, the F-16V Viper, is equipped with a more advanced active electronically scanned array AESA radar, improving target detection and tracking capabilities. The F-16V also features an advanced touchscreen cockpit and more secure communication systems, allowing for better integration with modern combat systems. In addition, many F-16 user nations have upgraded their avionics and weapons to suit their needs. This includes integration with the latest smart weapons, upgrading electronic warfare systems, and adding the ability to operate within a connected combat network. In the context of modern combat operations, the F-16 is often used in combination with other fighter aircraft to maximize effectiveness. For example, in air-to-air operations, the F-16 can be used as an escort for attack aircraft, providing protection from enemy threats. In air-to-ground missions, the F-16 can strike ground targets with high accuracy, while other aircraft provide support and surveillance. The F-16 is also used in no-fly zone enforcement missions, where it patrols to prevent enemy aircraft from entering protected airspace. In these scenarios, the F-16's speed, agility, and weapons capabilities are critical to providing a quick response to any violations. Although the F-16 has been in service for more than 4 decades, it continues to be updated and remains relevant in the modern combat environment. Continuous improvements in avionics, weapons, and defense systems ensure that the F-16 remains one of the most effective fighter aircraft in the world. Even as fifth-generation fighters, such as the F-35, begin to dominate, the F-16 remains a reliable and economical choice for many nations. With its ability to continually adapt to changing technology and combat needs, the F-16 Fighting Falcon is more than just a fighter. It is a symbol of technological and tactical excellence that has reshaped the way we understand air combat. Its design excellence, strike capability, and proven reliability on the battlefield make it one of the most respected fighter aircraft in the history of military aviation.